Your next guest says there's a lot of FOMO, fear of missing out, around stablecoins and Circle. Dan Dolev, managing director and senior fintech analyst at Mizuho. Dan, I'm going to be honest. I don't have any idea what to say about Circle anymore. They buy treasuries and issue people money. It seems like a money market-ish account. What am I missing here?
Oh, I don't think you're. Hey, Brian. It's good to be on the show. I don't think you guys are missing anything. It's basically like behaving like an unregulated money market account. And I agree with you. There's a lot of FOMO around stablecoins. You're seeing that in the movements in Visa and MasterCard, which I think are unmerited. I think it's going to settle itself out. Come full circle at some point when people realize that the business model is really just money markets.
It's Darren. Thanks for being on. It's Karen. So,
hey, Karen.
I mean, aside from the excitement around the bill and all of that, I mean, this looks like fairly classic squeeze if you look at where the options are priced, and do you see it? I mean, do you see people who legitimately think there's a valuation here at this level versus the whatever 40 it was 2 weeks ago?
It's a great point. It feels to me like it's very retail driven and very story and narrative driven. I don't have a particular view on Circle. We don't cover it, but just in general, there's so much buzz and now the regulation, and you have the Treasury Secretary saying it's a $3.7 trillion market or TAM. All these things drive up stocks in general and drive down the potential stocks that are getting disrupted, even though we don't think they are.
So, Dan, getting back to where you started the interview off, 99% of the revenues were driven by reserves backing. So, to Brian's point, treasuries. So if that interest rate does come down, that should have a dramatic impact, you would think, in a normalized world on the stock.
You nailed it, 100%. People don't realize that it's an interest rate play, and they give you some of the, they give the consumers some of the love, right? So if you're Coinbase and you're mint or you're issuing or you're helping them sell the coins, Coinbase is getting some of the love or a lot of the love. It's actually better for Coinbase than for Circle. We can talk about it another time. Once rates come down, it's going to be very difficult to make money in stable coins in this environment.